Peace up, A-Town down. Yeah, okay. Let's go.
In the club with my homies, tryna get a little VI, keep it down on the low key. She know how I feel. I saw the shorty, she was checking it for me. From the game, she was singing in my ear. You would think that she knew me. I decided to cheat. Conversation got heavy. She had me feeling like she's ready to blow.
Watch out.
She's saying, come get me. So I got up and followed her to the floor. She said, baby, let's go. When I told her, I said, shawty got down, said, come and get me. I got so caught up, now she told me. Look at my girl, she did the best of all me. Next thing I knew, she was all up on me screaming. She's all up in my head now, got me thinking that it might be a good idea to take her with me. She's ready to leave.
Let's go.
And I gotta keep it real now, 'cause I'm the 1 for 10, she's a certified 20. But that just ain't me. Hey, 'cause I don't take that chance. She swears it's gonna leave, but what I do is the way she dance makes shawty alright for me. The way she I'm like, yes, it's worked that out for me. She asked for one more dance, and I'm like, yeah, how the hell am I supposed to leave? And I said, shawty got down, said, come and get me. I got so caught up, now she told me. Look at my girl, she did the best of all me. Next thing I knew, she was all up on me screaming.
Watch out, my outfit's ridiculous. In the club looking so conspicuous. And wow, these women all on the prowl. If you hold the head steady, I'ma melt the cow. And forget about game, I'ma spit the truth. I won't stop till I get them in their birthday suit. So give me the rhythm and it'll be off with they clothes. Then bend over to the front and touch your toes. I left the jag and I took the rolls. If they ain't cutting, then I put them on foot patrol. How you like me now when my piggy's valued over 300,000? Let's drink, you the one to please. Ludacris fill cups like double D. Me and Ursh once more when we leave them dead. We want a lady in the street, but a freak in the bed that say,
Shawty got down, said, come and get me. I get so caught up, now she told me. Look at my girl, she did the best of all me. Next thing I knew, she was all up on me screaming.
take that and rewind it back. Lil Jon got the beat to make your booty go. Take that, rewind it back. Usher got the voice to make your booty go. Take that, rewind it back. Ludacris got the flow to make your booty go. Take that, rewind it back. Lil Jon got the beat to make your booty go.
Peace up, A-Town down. Yeah, okay.